Are you looking for the best massage guns? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best massage guns on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hypervolt 2. The Hypervolt 2 is the best value massage gun on this list. It's usually under $200 and lighter than most Theraguns, but it doesn't skimp on power with its brushless 60W motor. You get 5 attachments out of the box, along with an impressive 3-hour battery life. It syncs with the HyperIce app via Bluetooth, which isn't required but nice if you want to capitalize on the guided routines. It's not quite as extra or customizable as the Theragun Pro Plus, but for most people, it's more than enough. Number 2. Theragun Pro Plus. The Theragun Pro Plus, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, is the priciest model in the lineup, and it shows. It's Therabody's most feature-packed, pro-grade model, favored by athletic trainers and college sports programs. Some of its selling points include built-in heat therapy, a vibration head for sensitive areas, and near-infrared LED therapy to aid with blood circulation. There's also a breathwork mode that syncs with the integrated heart rate sensor, also found on the $299 Theragun Sense, which is helpful for winding down. Cons. It's heavy and expensive. If you want cold therapy too, that'll cost you an extra $89 for a separate attachment. Number 3. Theragun Mini, 2nd generation. This is the stripped-down Theragun. The Mini 2 is 20% smaller and 30% lighter than the original, making it the most compact for travel bags, gym lockers, or anyone who wants recovery on the go. The triangular design makes it easy to dig into calves and quads with precision, though it's less graceful for hitting the lower back. It comes in a soft carrying case and is rechargeable via USB-C. If you're not hung up on portability, though, the Theragun Relief, $149, is the same price and is better for at-home recovery. Therabody also recently released the Mini 3, which I'm currently testing and will report back. Number 4. GM5 Massage Gun. The Theragun GM5 is powered by a 160-watt brushless motor with 20 intensity modes, ranging from 1100 to 3200 ppm. It comes with 7 massage heads and boasts up to 8 hours of battery life. It's the quietest I've tested, registering at about 40 decibels. A couple of Amazon reviewers have noted issues with its durability, reporting that it broke after a few sessions. I have only been testing it for 2 weeks so far, so I can't comment on its longevity. The GM5 also powers on at max speed by default, which can be jarring at first. Number 5. Sonic Handheld Percussion Massage Gun. The Life Pro Sonic has 8 attachments, which makes it the most versatile percussion massage gun we've tried. Round for sore muscles, shovel for back pain, flat for a deep tissue massage experience, air for sensitive spots, wishbone for joints and hard-to-reach muscle groups, bullet for trigger points, spinal to loosen up the lower back, and a textured tip for muscle pain relief. It's one of the heavier ones I've tested, about 2.5 pounds, and it doesn't have the LCD screen like the Pro Plus. But you do get 5 speeds and a battery indicator. It's less polished than Therabody or HyperIce, but practical and decent for the price.